When your Bradford White water heater pilot light goes out immediately after releasing the gas control knob, the fix requires replacing a faulty thermocouple. The thermocouple is the copper sensor that tells the gas valve the pilot is lit, and when it fails, a built-in safety mechanism shuts off the gas supply. Turn the gas control valve to the off position and shut off the main gas supply line before starting. Remove the outer and inner access doors at the bottom of the water heater tank to expose the burner assembly. Disconnect the 3 lines attached to the bottom of the gas control valve using an adjustable wrench. These include the main burner tube, the pilot tube, and the thermocouple connection. Slide the entire burner assembly out from the combustion chamber. Pull the old thermocouple out of its mounting bracket next to the pilot assembly. Snap the new replacement thermocouple firmly into the same bracket, ensuring the tip is positioned perfectly in the path of the pilot flame. Do not bend or crimp the copper tubing excessively during installation. Slide the burner assembly back into the combustion chamber and secure it. Reconnect the main burner tube, pilot tube, and the new thermocouple to the gas control valve, tightening them securely but avoiding over-tightening the delicate thermocouple thread. Turn the gas supply back on, switch the valve to pilot, hold the knob down, and light the pilot. Keep the knob depressed for 1 full minute to allow the new thermocouple to heat up, then release it.